Hey guys, this is Hayden, which you've already seen her before. Say hi, Hayden.
Hi.
Hey, what are we doing today?
Cooking Alfredo.
Hayden.
Yeah?
What's your favorite food?
Alfredo.
You want to learn how to make it?
Sure.
Okay, so you get the big pot, right? And you fill it up with water.
Hot or cold?
It don't matter.
A few inches later.
Okay, stop. Okay, put it on this pot holder.
Set it on the boil.
That's a lot of water. I don't know if we're gonna need all that, but now we turn it on high, right? And you always do this with supervision, right? Don't do this when your mom's not home.
I'm never home.
Okay, come and get this salt over here. Not that salt.
Which salt?
The pink salt, and grind it into the pot. Now, get in that cabinet, the other side, and you need olive oil. That's not olive oil. And pour just a little bit in there.
Make sure my vision is right.
Eventually.
A little bit more. Alright, that's good. Now get in the second drawer, I think. No. Yeah, get that wooden spoon.
It's stuck.
Well, you gotta push that box down. Look. The water's boiling.
Okay.
What do we do now?
Mix, I guess.
Okay, so over there's a box of noodles.
Okay.
Get off your phone, kid.
Kinda.
Look, it's a timely procedure. Get the box of noodles.
Okay. Box of noodles. Where's the box?
Over there. Okay, open the box of noodles. You're the one who said you wanted to learn how to do this.
Open the box of noodles. How hard is that for me?
Oh God, pour the noodles in.
All of it?
All of it.
Bye-bye noodles.
So we've got to cook it.
Crush the box on my head.
So because it's boiling so intense, we're going to turn it down just a little bit, okay?
Yep.
So we don't overflow. Okay, if you want to stir it, you can.
What are you going to call this video that you are making right now?
Teaching Hayden how to make Alfredo.
Scrub the sink.
Why are you scrubbing the sink?
Because it's dirty. Thank you very much. That's not going to work at all.
Look at me.
Yeah.
The noodles are almost done. Okay, stop. You take one noodle and you put it down here like that. You let it cool off and you just kind of feel it and see if it's like, yeah, see they're done. You want to feel it so you know it's not that hot. Put this in the pot, all of it.
God.
So you got a can of the Prego roasted garlic parmesan.
Yummy.
And you just pour this whole thing in here. Alright? So you do the mixing and I'll pour. Okay? So keep mixing. Milk. And you're going to pour it into your jar to get the remaining sauce. Okay, and then put some salt in that. Some pepper. Some basil. So this is like a $4 meal, guys. Some garlic powder. Italian seasoning. Then you put your lid back on your saucepan. You
Shake it all up.
You just shake it and you pour it in here. And put some olive oil in it just to make sure the noodles don't stick when we start heating this bad boy up. And then add Parmesan. Then you can add some more later once we add the other noodles in. Okay, and I'll stir all this in. Gang, gang. We're gonna add some more milk. More milk.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
How's Alfredo?
Delicious.